We import NumPy as NP, then we print the NumPy version. We're using NumPy 1.13.3. Next, we import MXNet as MX, and we print the MXNet version that we are going to use. We're using MXNet 0.12.1. For this video, where we're going to convert an MXNet NDArray to a NumPy multidimensional array, we're going to start out with an MXNet NDArray. So we do mx.nd.array, we pass in the multidimensional array, and we set the data type as int32. Note that we could set other types of data types like float32 or anything else you wanted. We take this whole thing and we assign it to the Python variable mx_x_int_array. We can check the type, and we see that it is of class mxnet.ndarray.ndarray.ndarray. So we have an MXNet NDArray. Next, we can look at the shape, and we see that it is 2 by 3 by 4. Then we can look at the D type. Here we passed in int32. What we get back is numpy.int32. So MXNet underneath the ND array is using the NumPy data types. So that's why when we get back the data type, we see that it is numpy.int32. To convert our MXNet NDArray to a NumPy multidimensional array, we're going to use the MXNet as NumPy, open parentheses, close parentheses function. So we pass in our MXNet NDArray, and we say dot as NumPy, and we're assigning that result to the Python variable np_x_int_array. The first thing we want to check is what exactly we have. And we can see that we have a NumPy NDArray now, whereas before we had an MXNet NDArray. So we have converted successfully the MXNet NDArray to a NumPy multidimensional array. Let's check the rest of the particulars of the array. We can check the shape. We see that it is still 2 by 3 by 4, which is what we expected. We can check the data type, and we see that it is D type int32. And finally, we can print the NumPy multidimensional array, and we compare it to our MXNet NDArray. We see that it's the exact same thing. And that is how you convert an MXNet NDArray to a NumPy multidimensional array so that it retains the specific data type using the as NumPy MXNet function.